Want to build an ADU onto your home or property? The City of Oakland has just made it a whole lot easier. Now you can apply quickly and easily using our all-digital application through our online permit center. But first, we recommend visiting our Apply for an ADU webpage, where you'll find step-by-step instructions on how to prepare for and apply for an ADU that's right for you. Be sure to review the permit requirements for each ADU type and confirm whether your zone allows ADUs on your property. Get familiar with the design and plan requirements for your project, as these must be approved before your permits are issued. Note that the City of Oakland has several pre-approved designs to make the permitting process even faster. Also, review our zoning criteria checklist to be sure your ADU plans meet key zoning requirements. Once you're ready, click the Apply for Your ADU button. On the login screen, enter your email address or username. Enter your password, and then click the Sign In button. If you don't yet have an account, click on the Register Now button. For details, click on our How to Register video linked above. From the menu screen, click on the ADU button marked Continue to Planning Approval. Complete each of the following steps to ensure that city staff can begin reviewing your application once it's submitted. Select or search for the property location of your project by navigating the map or entering the project address in the search box. Note that your parcel information and zoning information will populate automatically. Acknowledge the city's findings on the property by clicking the checkbox, then click Continue. Select the ADU categories for which you are applying and mark the appropriate checkboxes next to any categories of ADU that already exist on your property. Then click Continue. Once again, note all the zoning criteria that must be met for all ADUs, and note any additional criteria that must be met for the categories of ADUs you've selected. Once you're ready, click the Continue button. Now you must complete the ADU questionnaire. ADUs may only be granted if you can answer yes or not applicable as shown to each of the following questions related to your project. At any time, you can click the back button or restart to start over. At the end of the questionnaire, please answer all questions as they relate to fire safety, creek protection, tree preservation, and green building standards for your project. For full details on each question, please refer to our guide to applying for ADUs as linked in the description below. At the end of the questionnaire, you'll be given a chance to review and confirm your responses. When you're ready, click on the Complete on Online Permit Center button to finish your application. At this stage, your answers from the previous session are transferred to the Online Permit Center automatically. Confirm or edit the address and parcel information for your project. When you're ready, click Continue Application. On the Project Details page, enter a brief description summarizing your project. Under ADU Area Calculations, click on Add a Row for a pop-up window. Enter the details related to each ADU's dimensions, like the floor area, footprint area, and height. If you already have one or more existing ADUs, enter the dimensions for those as well. Under Primary Dwelling Unit Details, enter all the information related to the existing primary residence on your property, including total lot area, total floor area, your building's footprint area, the number of parking spaces, and your primary residence's building height. Once complete, click on Continue Application. On the attachment screen, please upload all required documents as listed for your project. Click on the Add button to select the appropriate documents from your computer. After you've uploaded the document, be sure to give it a clear and full description explaining its contents. Then click Save. Once you've completed this process, click on Continue Application. On the Review page, take a moment to review your application details. Click on the Edit button next to any detail to make revisions. When you're ready, Click on Continue Application to submit your application. That's it. Please take note of your record number, as you will need it to check on the status of your application. Thanks for applying with the Online Permit Center and for helping to make Oakland a more livable community for all.